It was India vs Pakistan test match at the Eden Gardens. Out came Babar Azam and Mohammad Rizwan to open the innings for Pakistan's first innings. Jasprit Bumrah started the proceedings for India, and as usual he was very tidy with his line and lengths. He started off with a maiden over. Mohammad Siraj joined Jasprit Bumrah from the other end, and he too bowled brilliantly. He could have got his first wicket in the very first over, dismissing Babar Azam, but it was a no ball. However, in his very next over, Mohammad Siraj made amends by knocking over Babar Azam. Babar Azam could not believe, and he was a goner on a duck. Jasprit Bumrah soon joined the party in the very next over, knocking over Mohammad Rizwan. It was a peach of a delivery. Full in length, swinging just a little bit to knock over Mohammad Rizwan. In the very same over, the legend Jasprit Bumrah struck twice and dismissed Fakhar Zaman. Jasprit Bumrah and Mohammad Siraj were very tidy with their line and lengths in the initial overs. The captain Rohit Sharma, seeing the assistance, made no delay and soon brought on Mohammad Shami into the attack. Looking to pick wickets, Mohammad Shami tried too much and he was expensive in his initial overs. He got hit through the covers as well as down the leg side. The captain Rohit Sharma did not want the game to drift away and he brought back his trump card Jasprit Bumrah once again. However, Jasprit Bumrah too got struck for a couple of boundaries back to back. As usual, Jasprit Bumrah came back strongly in the very next delivery, bowling a beautiful outswinger to get the edge, and the gully completed a straightforward catch. Mohammad Shami also gained control of his line and length and bowled a beautiful outswinger to dismiss the batsman. Mohammad Shami looked very lethal with his short pitch bowling. He tested the batsman's back foot defense quite incredibly. Jasprit Bumrah remained unplayable throughout the game and he dismissed batsmen again and again. Jasprit Bumrah could have dismissed the number 8 on the very first delivery. However, Rishabh Pant missed a difficult opportunity and the ball went in between the first slip and the keeper for a boundary. The Indian cricket team made sure that Pakistan had to struggle for each and every run, and they were very disciplined in their line and lengths. Mohammad Shami was excellent with his outswingers. He dismissed yet another batsman with his lethal outgoing delivery. Jasprit Bumrah picked the 8th wicket to claim his yet another fifer. Rishabh Pant had a tough day behind the stumps. He dropped yet another catch. However, this dropped opportunity did not hurt much because Mohammad Shami sent back Shaheen Shah Afridi in the very same over with his lethal in-swinger. Giving no respite to the batsmen, the Indian bowlers adopted the short pitch ploy to extract the extra bounce from the pitch. They bowled bouncers and short pitch deliveries again and again. They were very hard to get away with. Arshdeep wrapped up the tale by picking up the last wicket, and Pakistan was all out for 48, which was historically the lowest score they ever scored against India. It was an unbelievable effort from the Indian bowlers. They gave no scoring opportunities to Pakistani batters, and hence they troubled them immensely. Jasprit Bumrah, as usual, was pick of the bowlers, bowling 9 overs, giving just 17 runs and picking up 5 wickets. The Pakistani scorecard shows a dismal story of struggle with Faisal Iqbal top scoring with just 18 runs.